To navigate to your decisions, either click on the Decisions tab at the bottom of the project detail view, or use the navigation bar by going to Projects, Your Project, and selecting Decisions. You can add a decision two ways. From the decision grid view, simply start typing the title of the decision here where it says Add New Decision and hit Enter. Or you can also click the green add icon at the top of the page, fill out the form, and click Save Decision when you're done. Now let's complete a decision detail, which you can do in this form or in the grid view. The short descriptive name is the only mandatory field for the decision. The decision to be made lets you add more detail about the decision itself. And the decision makers are the people who will be making the decision. Note that as you complete the form, the decision setup checklist in the middle panel automatically completes itself, guiding you through the process. The decision needed by is the date by which you need the decision to be made in order to avoid negative project impacts. You can set the lifecycle state of the decision, which is set to created by default. You can use the slider to rate the importance of the decision on a 100-point scale for prioritization. Next, you can add tags to categorize your decision for easy filtering and reporting. Tags are common to all RAID items and can represent any aspect of your decision, such as the type of decision, required approval bodies, or other categories that you can find helpful. Once your decision is made, you can capture that decision here. We can also document the justification, explaining why the decision was made the way it was. We can also document any follow-on impacts of this decision if there are any. When you're done creating your decision, don't forget to click the Save button. Although if you're editing in the grid view, just hit Enter to save. To aid you in helping your stakeholders make great decisions, our decision detail view includes a T-chart where you can list options for your decision, including the benefits and drawbacks for each. To add a new option, simply click Add New. After you've added it, hit Enter to save. You can even flag each item as selected or not as you work through the decision-making process with your stakeholders.